Hello friends, welcome back to the one video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we disable guys phone eyes protection mode setting in our Oppo phone device. Friends, we want to disable guys phone eyes protection mode settings. So how can we disable it? Today friends, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we disable guys phone eyes protection mode setting guys. Today friends, we will talk about. So first of all guys, you will have to turn on guys your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, you can see this type of settings of how can you disable phone eyes protection friends. Click on guys your phone display setting and brightness. Tap here friends, scroll again eye comfort setting guys, tap here eyes protection mode guys, you can disable from this right side icon guys, tap here to disable. After 30 seconds guys your screen will normal and friends come back. Friends, you can use your phone, you can operate your phone without this eyes protection mode setting. So like that guys, we can disable phone eyes protection mode. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video and guys, ignore this sound guys, I am really sorry. Bye guys.